The topic of today's video is how to change bank details in Zoho Invoice. So here we are on the Zoho home screen, and all that you want to do is go to the settings cog on the top right. And from there you want to go to customization and PDF templates. And in here, all you want to do is, if you're on invoices, which you should be, you will click on the template that you've got here and just say edit. And inside here, you want to go to order details and you'll see add your bank details. And if you had a previous one there will be an option to remove said bank details and then add new ones. And then you can just add it all up here and you can press enter or preview. Both of them work and your new payment details will be right over there. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.